Hey there and everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video we're going to learn about that how can you basically extract audio from any video you want, right? So yeah, for this video we're going to use moviepy library, right, which is an awesome library. You can definitely check it out. And yeah, so basically it's very easy to convert, but we're going to get a little deep into that. We're going to do things practically, but yeah, for now let's just see that how can you basically you know basic how can you extract audio. So all right, the first thing you have to do is that, I'll just comment out these things and just like that. All right, so the first thing you have to do is that you have to, of course, install Movie Pirater library, right? So, you know what, I'll just Google it, that MoviePy documentation. Okay, तो देखो PYPI is actually a website जो बता देता है कि how can you basically install any Python library, right? तो all you have to do is that या तो आप command prompt में जाके pip install MoviePy कर सकते हो, या तो what you can do is कि आप ऐसे अपने अगर VS Code यूज कर रहे हो, so you can go to your terminal and do the same exact thing with install MoviePy as well, right? And it will get installed in your computer. So by the way, you've noticed कि मैंने ये भी documentation भी open कर लिया था, right? So yeah, documentation MoviePy की बहुत अच्छी है. You can definitely refer its documentation. And but अभी हम लोग उस पे ना बढ़ते हुए, let's see that how can we basically do things, right? So firstly we'll import it. So एंड हाँ देखो मूवी पाई, एज वी नो कि मूवी पाई एक लाइब्रेरी है, तो उसके अंदर बहुत सारे फंक्शंस होंगे. लाइब्रेरीज नहीं, फंक्शंस होंगे, वेरिएबल्स होंगे और बहुत अलग अलग टाइप के थिंग्स होंगे, राइट? तो मूवी पाई डॉट करके हम लोग पाइथन को ये बता रहे हैं कि हम लोग मूवी पाई लाइब्रेरी के अंदर जा रहे हैं, राइट? अंदर तो चल गए, बट उसके अंदर से अब क्या हमको चाहिए, राइट? क्या हम लोग इंपोर्ट कर रहे हैं? सो वील इंपोर्ट एडिटर. एज यू कैन सी ड्रॉप डाउन में भी आ चुका है. या मूवी पाई डॉट एडिटर. अब देखो, या तो आप ऐसे ही छोड़ सकते हो, या तो आप एज करके भी इंपोर्ट कर सकते हो, ठीक है? तो देखो ये नाम मुझे थोड़ा सा बड़ा लग रहा है, movie.editor. That is why I'm using the as keyword and me, right? I'll be importing movie.editor as me, right? All right, now let's see that how can you basically convert, right? Or I should say extract thing. All right, so see, you'll firstly have to make a variable, right? So I'll just name it video, and then I'll have to basically give the video. So as you can see, I have a video right here in my folder. So you know what? Let me even show you what video I'm using for this video. So yeah, so it's right here. So I'll open it, and as you can see, this is the video. This is the meme video. I'm sure you have all. All right, so this is the video we're going to extract. So yeah. All right, so as you can see, it's right inside of the folder. It's not inside of the subfolders inside of my movie 5 slash module folder, right? As you can see, so it's right here. So all we have to do is that we have to give the name here. So meme.mp4 was the name, so I've given the name. Then I have to do audio, something like this. I have to make a variable name for audio as well. You know what, I'll not give the space, and yeah, now what I'll do is that I'll do video.audio. Now what do I mean by that, right? So as I told you, in Python, how can we tell Python that I want to get inside of this, I want to get inside of that? How can we tell that? So we basically tell that by using dots in Python, right? As I told you before कि जैसे मूवी पाई एक मॉड्यूल है, राइट? उसके अंदर कोई फंक्शन चाहिए, कोई फंक्शन है, जैसे कि मान लो एडिटर. तो उस तक जाने के लिए, उसको इंपोर्ट करने के लिए वी यूज द डॉट, राइट? तो मूवी पाई के अंदर चल जाओ और उसके अंदर जो एडिटर है उसको इंपोर्ट करो. तो दैट इज व्हाट वी हैव डन राइट हियर एज वेल. वीडियो जो है एमपी, वीडियो जो है वेरिएबल, जो कि बेसिकली meme.mp4 है, वी टेलिंग पाइथन कि तुम उसके अंदर चल जाओ एंड देन ऑडियो को एक्सट्रैक्ट कर लो बेसिकली, राइट? ऑडियो के अंदर चल जाओ उस वीडियो के, राइट? Alright, see, after doing this video.audio, after basically getting inside of the audio from that video, uh, we basically have to now save the file, right? But actually before doing that, I've missed a thing. So let me just add it. So what you have to do is that you have to get inside of moviepy.editor, and then from there you have to get inside of another method which is called video file, something like that, right? So you know what, I'll just do me dot it should be right here, I think. Video, yeah, video file, as you can see, right? So we have to do this, and then we have to finally save the file. So I'll do audio dot write audio file, and I finally have to give the location that where I want to save the file, right? So I want to save the file under this audios folder basically, right? So I'll do something like audio, and then I'll give this slash, and then I'll finally do this meme dot, and then you have to give the extension as well, by the way. So there are many basically extensions for audio, such as mp3 is there, then wav is there, then I think ogg is also one of them. So there are many. You can ask ChatGPT or just Google also. So yeah, then I'm going with MP3 for now because it is, I don't know, somehow said to be, standard file format. So yeah, I'll go with MP3 and then I'll finally run this file and hope that this gets saved here, right? Alright, so there was the error. Let me see what was the error. Oh, sorry, actually, I have to give the S there as well because the folder name is not audio, it's actually audio, right? So now, if we finally run this code, it should, yeah, as you can see, meme.mp3 is finally there. And if we play this, I don't know if you're able to hear this, let me just check. So,
भूपेंद्र जोगी यूएस में कहाँ कहाँ गए आप? यूएस में बहुत जगह गया हुआ हूँ मैं. नाम बताइए. भूपेंद्र जोगी.
I hope you were able to hear it, right? So yeah, that is how we did it. And so this is the basic tech I wanted to explain you guys, right? So, all right, so that is how you can basically, um, you know, extract any audio from any video file you want, right? I hope you find this video very insightful, and I want you to practice. I want you to even go and explore Movie by library because this is an amazing library, right? I have actually built a project as well. As you can see, it's a very good project. I mean, I have actually built two projects. So basically, the first one is this. Let me just show you what it does. So basically, it will ask for the video. So I'll just go with important MP4 only, and then it will enter. It will, want you to give the desired extension as well. Like as you know, there are many audio extensions, right? OGG is probably there. No, not yeah, OGG is there, and then WAV is there, MP3 is there, AAC is there, FLAC is there. So there are many audio files, right? You have to just give for what audio file you want, right? So for now, I'll just give WAV, then and then as you can see that progress bar came as well. If you didn't see, you can you can back the video and see the progress bar as well. And after it completed, it's showing that yeah, movie pi writing audio file in audio jitna, and then movie pi done. So basically, by using moviepy only, it gives you a progress bar as well, right? So that is why I said that this is a very interesting and very helpful module. You can definitely go ahead and check that out. So yeah, as you can see, meme.wav is there as well, right? And it will work the basically same.
क्या नाम बताया? भूपेंद्र जोगी.
Right? So as simple it is, right? It's not a very big code as well, but it's pretty impressive. Then I have built a website as well, right? Where that will be, a choose file, then file selector basically. So you have to just click there and file manager will open on your computer and you can just select the video. Then I've built a drop down as well from where you can basically select whatever audio file you want. So you can just select that and then you can click on that convert button. And then finally you will be able to save the audio file from any video of your choice, right? By using that website. So yeah, I've used Bootstrap for that website, and then if you come to the backend part of it, so I've used Python Flask for that, right? So if you want those videos, like if you want me to, make video about this and how I built this 200.py, just drop a comment. If you want the website version of it, you can drop a comment. Then again, if you want that, if you want me to make a tutorial of moviepy.editor library, you can also drop a comment. And yeah, I'll definitely meet you very soon making these kind of videos. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, just subscribe this channel and I'll meet you doing awesome stuff like this. Till then, bye.